Hello students, welcome to Damso TV. You are joining with grade 8 mathematics. Today lesson is lesson number 24, location of a place. By studying this lesson, you will be able to express the direction of a place with respect to a particular point based on the direction of north or the direction of south. And also you will be able to sketch the location of a place with respect to a particular point based on the direction in which it is located and the distance from the point. Now before starting the lesson, let's see the main direction. What are the main directions? Main directions are north, east, south and west. Let's see the sub-direction. There are 4 sub-directions. The direction between north and east, that is northeast. The direction between south and east, that is southeast. The direction between south and west, that is southwest. The last one, the direction between north and west, that is northwest. When you identify north from the compass, you can identify the other directions very easily. Now let's move to the first content of the lesson. Express the direction of a place with respect to a particular point based on the direction of north or south. You have to consider based on the direction of north or south. Let's see some examples. Look at this one. The direction of P as seen from O is 50 degrees east of north. You can see P is 50 degrees east of north. We can write it as N 50 degrees E. N means north, E means east. Let's see another one. The direction of Q as seen from O is 40 degrees east of south. 40 degrees east of south. We can write it as S 40 degrees E. S means south, E means east. Let's see another one. Now look here. The direction of R as seen from O is 20 degrees west of north. 20 degrees west of north. We can write it as N 20 degrees W. N means north, W means west. Look here. The direction of S as seen from O is 20 degrees west of south. 20 degrees west of south. We can write it S 20 degrees W. S means south, W means west. Now try to express the direction of P. How to write it? N 70 degrees E. 70 degrees east of north. That is the way of writing this one. N 70 degrees E. This one 60 is not the relevant angle. First you have to find the relevant angle with the direction of south. How to find that? You have to subtract 60 degrees from 90 degrees. The answer is 30 degrees. Now you can write the direction of R as S 30 degrees W. S means south, W means west. 30 degrees west of south. This one in here also you have to find the relevant angle. For that you have to subtract 10 degrees from 90 degrees. You will get 80 degrees. 80 degrees east of south. This is the way of writing this one. 80 degrees east of south. S 80 degrees E. in here also you have to find the relevant angle. 90 subtract 20, that is equal to 70 degrees. 70 degrees west of north. This is the way of writing that one. N 70 degrees W. N 70 degrees W. I am giving another example. Now try to fill the blanks. The location of A from O is 42 degrees east of south. East of south. So the first blank should be south, S. The second blank should be E. S 42 degrees E. Now look this one. The location of B from O is 70 degrees west of north. How to write it? West 70 degrees west of north. The first blank should be N, north. The second blank should be W. N 70 degrees W. Now let's move to the next part. Draw sketches to show the direction given below. Now try to draw a sketch to show this direction. The meaning of this one means this one is 30 degrees west of north. Let's see. First you have to indicate the main direction and then the angle 30 degrees west of north. This is the way of drawing the sketch for this direction. Let's see another one. S 50 degrees W. What's the meaning of that? The meaning of this one is 55 degrees west of south. For that, first you have to draw the main direction, then include the magnitude of the angle, then draw the line. Let's see another one. N 30 degrees E. The meaning of this one is 30 degrees east of north. 30 degrees east of north. That is the way of drawing the sketch. Now let's move to the next part. Illustrate the location of a place with respect to another place with a sketch. Let's see the question. The location of B 30 meters from O in the direction S 60 degrees E with a sketch. Now here you can see the distance is given. After drawing the sketch, let's express the direction first. S 60 degrees E means 60 degrees east of south. 60 degrees east of south from O. And now here you have to indicate the distance, direct distance, that is B. The location of B 30 meters from O in the direction S 60 degrees E, that is the sketch. Let's see another one. A child standing the point K in a playground sees the gate which is 50 meters away in the direction N 10 degrees west. 50 meters away in the direction N 10 degrees W. The meaning of N 10 degrees W is 10 degrees west of north. First draw the main directions and include the magnitude of the angle, then draw the line and indicate the distance 50 meters and you can get the location of gate. Is that clear? Let's move to another one. Kushani, who is standing at the location B in a field, can see her school in the direction of in 35 degrees W. Nishani, who is standing 100 meters away to the east of Kushani, sees the school in the direction in 50 degrees W. Find the location of the school. Now you are given two directions. First you have to sketch the direction relevant to Kushani. In 35 degrees W, it means 35 degrees west of north. 35 degrees west of north. We don't know the correct place of the school, so you have to keep that like that. Then move to the next part. 100 meters away. Nishani, who is standing 100 meters away to the east of Kushani. Let's see, where's Nishani? 100 meters away to the east of Kushani. Now she sees the school in the direction in 50 degrees W. Nishani sees the school in the direction 50 degrees west of north. 50 degrees west of north. Now you can see an intersection point. It should be the location of the school. That is the way of solving this problem. Now that's all for the unit. Do the exercises. Exercise 24.1 and exercise 24.2. Try to do those two exercises. Thank you and have a nice day.